How to unblock contacts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Log into your account. Then you'll find your profile on top left corner of your screen. After you click on top left corner of your screen on your profile, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Settings, which is located on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on top right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down till you find Block option. You'll find Blocked Users. Click on Blocked Users and simply click on the person you want to unblock. Click on cross mark and then click on Yes. After you do that, you will need to add them as friend again. And this is how to unblock contacts on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.